Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane with the Heart, and I'm here to share a couple of things, a couple of hauls, including a Michael's haul, which I wanted to jump on and make sure to share with you guys so you had an opportunity to go to Michael's and take advantage of this deal. First, I wanted to share a prize that I had won. It came a little bit loose here, but this is from Carol Herlock. And she makes absolutely amazing things. So I'm going to try to link to her channel. Be sure to go and visit her. She does amazing things with dies, and it's just amazing. So she had made this. I actually won this, and it lights up. So cool. So anyway, I need to glue this little piece back because it got a little damaged in shipping. So I'm going to go ahead and glue that back on, and then it's going to be a decor piece. I haven't actually, decorated for Halloween yet. I'm really late for it, but this is the weekend. I'm not going to do a lot of things. I think I've just got a couple things. I have a wreath that I put up and that kind of thing. But this is definitely going up. I love it. So amazing. She made this, and she talks about how she made it in her video. She has a YouTube channel, so I'll link to that. The other thing before I get into the Michaels is CC Designs had a 40% off their rubber. So these two stamps were already on, well, this one was already on sale. So it ended up being like $1.50 or something like that. It's red rubber. So it was a clearance, but it was an additional 40% off, so it was a great deal. I went ahead and picked this one up. I had actually been wanting the Batty Brigitte, even though I know we're at the end of Halloween. I actually am going to be spending this weekend doing the last of my Halloween stuff aside from my October daily. So that's the only thing is I'm still working on October daily, but I am at the end of this weekend going to pack almost all my Halloween stuff away because I need to start focusing on the next holiday. But I had to get her because I don't know if she's going to be retired. And then I did get this one, which is super cute. I had another little girl that's holding a gingerbread man, and I wanted that one so bad, but it was sold out, so it was a little disappointing. They were sold out of that one, but I did get the one where she's holding this tiny little snowman. I don't know if you can see that. It's adorable. So I got those. Shipped, I think it was $14 for all three of these stamps. So really good deal. I was excited to get that. Then on to, I'm only going to grab this because it was on top and I don't want it to break. And that is, I don't know if you can see this. I'll zoom out a little bit. This is called a give thanks gratitude tree. And so the tree has two pieces that you, I guess, slide into each other. And then they have his little tags here that you can write something you are grateful for and tie it on there. This is going to be my decor for fall once Halloween is over. I have like a television stand, I guess, kind of. My television is mounted on the wall, but I have like a stand. And so that's kind of where I put these sorts of things. So that's going to be, it's a little pricey, but it is, this kind of miter, I forget what they call it, but this kind of wood type stuff. So it's $14.99. It was 50% off, plus there's an additional 20% Michael's coupon. So I did buy that. But let me get into the good stuff. So I did buy these 12 by 12 iris cases. Now at my Michael's, they were $5, normally $10 plus 20% off, which made them $4 each, but they ran at $10. So it took them forever to figure it out and give me my discount because it's a really good deal. And I'm probably going to package a lot of my Halloween in it. So let's talk about paper. So first, their non-hot buy paper was 40% off. The 12 by 12 was 40% off. So, I have so much paper. I did not buy the traditional Christmas one. They had a Christmas 12 by 12 paper that's like this. It has about 20 sheets of glitter cardstock, and it's a lighter weight cardstock. It's still pretty thick, though. It does take a little extra to, I think a shim is kind of really what you need, at least in my Cuttlebug, to have it cut all the way through for, die cuts. But what's really nice, it's smooth. So you don't get any glitter particles anywhere. It's completely smooth. So it does make very clean sorts of cuts if you're going to be running it through your die cut machines. So I did pick up this one because these are colors I don't have. I didn't buy the other one because it was reds, greens, silvers, golds, coppers. I have those colors. I really don't have that much in this. I have a little 6x6 one that I've been using, but I really wanted the 12x12. So this is a really, really good deal because it was $11.99 plus 20% off. So it's $10 and some change. And it's 12x12 and you get 20 sheets. So this will last you a good while. So, and it'll take you into spring. Okay, now let's get more into the paper. Everything was just put in here just for easy transporting because Michael has that thing where you can't go outside with their carts. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. This holiday bash. Okay, I love this. I don't know why. I think because it's non-traditional Christmas, and I don't just mean in colors, but it's holiday cactus and holiday mermaids and holiday stuff. And so I just think it's so super, super cute. And the colors, look at these little snowmen cups and stuff. I don't know if you can see that. It's really, really cute. The colors are really cute. It's got some foiling. I usually don't do flip throughs, but lots of foiling. I don't know if there's glitter in this one. I think it might just be foiling. They have the cut aparts. I love those little peppermints. Lots of foiling in here. And so it's super cute. I think it would accent well with any of the papers that you have that are, like the Santa Baby or the Peppermint Christmas or whatever it was called that they did last year, Prima did. That was in that same kind of color palette. This would kind of go with that a little bit, and it would brighten it up a little because I've been working with Santa Baby the last week or so, and it needs more of that mint color to kind of make it pop a little bit. It's very muted. It's hardly any of that. It's mostly all pink. So that's my only thing with that. So that holiday bash paper, oh my God, I didn't even tell you the price, is $6. Plus there's a 20% discount. So then it was only like $4.80. I mean, really, really a steal. So all the hot buy paper was $6. And I just have so much paper that I had to be selective on the paper. Now, I do a book project with my reading intensive kids with the teacher there. And so the kids write stories and we bind it. I bind it using the Bind It All, making a book. And they do covers with chipboard. And so all my leftover paper that I don't use, I bring to school and the kids use them because they don't care if it's Christmas or Halloween or whatever. They do all kinds of weird stuff with it and make it cool. So that's what I do with my leftover paper now, or what I'm going to do this year. But you get 48 sheets, 12x12. I got the North Pole Gazette, and they had two that were sort of more traditional colors. This one, I forget the other one was. I got this one because I wanted one with glitter because I had gotten that one with foiling, so I wanted glitter. And I do like that this is a traditional Christmas. This one's a gold and black, silver. This is gorgeous glitter, snowflakes. It's a little bit less girly, which I kind of like because it's kind of nice to have a little of both. I do like that it's got the numbers. Sometimes I do stuff with those. It's got cool cut aparts. It's a little bit more masculine. So I got that one. And so that was a really good price. Then struggling, can't figure out what to open it. I did get the Blush Christmas. So at my Michael's in Buena Park, California, that's my favorite Michael's. I like it better than the one in Long Beach. And the one at Huntington Beach. I actually like that one the best. And that was the closest to my house. So that's what I've been going to forever. I just like it because it's not super huge and they have the good stuff. So this is Sugar Blush, and I think this is going to be the hot paper of the season. I did go and pick this up, and they had quite a few, I wouldn't say quite a few of them, but they definitely had like 5 or 6 packs of this. And so this is very reminiscent of a Santa Baby. You've got a very soft, you can't really see my lighting is sucky, but you got this very soft wood grain. You've got these pinks. You've got this very Santa babyish Santa there. Baubles. Like a bunch of fur. Lots of fur in this one. This is really cute. Pink poinsettias. Pink ornaments. I love, love, love this one. So, very, very cute. I'm very curious to see what other people are going to do with the sugar blush. I'm not exactly sure because right now, like I said, I'm working with Santa Baby for a project that I am just about done on. I'm not done yet. Ugh. So, sorry, that stuff is heavy. All right. That's not exciting. They were on clearance. They were, I don't know, $1.97 or whatever they were. What were they? Hopefully I didn't get ripped off on that because I need to check my receipt and make sure. But they were supposed to be, this was on sale for $1.97. These were on clearance. And then I got slimes. They were $1.50. But I wanted to show you this other stuff. Okay. So all of their Halloween was 50% off. And at this point in the season, 50% is not good enough for me, except I did buy these sacks because they were not Halloween. They were, right? They could be anything. You can make it Halloween. You can make it fall. So that's why I got them. They're 50% off plus 20%. So they were 80 cents. So I did pick up those. And then the paper pads, only certain ones, not this one. Only certain ones. These ones. And they might have other ones. They're their older Reflections paper pads. They were 70% off. So they were $1. I don't have my other receipt with me. Like $1.80, I think they were. Plus 20% off. So they're like $1.50 a paper pad, which is amazing. So I got this Butterfly Blooms, which is really cute. Lots of mints and pinks and kind of springy. Really cute. Some foiling and some glitter. Cute. Then I got this one. This one is called Feeling Naughty. So it's a nautical one. It's cute. And then this one is Funky Fresh. Very cute. You know, pretzels and lemons and fat unicorns. Okay. And then with my 40% off coupon, I had a 60% off coupon. So also there's a 60% off coupon from Joann's. So you can use the one that if you get it online, you can use that one. If you get the little booklet in the mail, there's a 60% off coupon that's good until, I can't remember, it's Saturday or Sunday. And I use that actually for a gift for my my little niece. I bought her a Da Vinci kit or something, and it was 60% off. So it was $12 or something. But actually less than that, $8. I'm sorry, $12 off. So I used a 40% off coupon for this because I don't know, I think it might sell out. I just love it. It's the Holiday Bash, the first paper pad that I showed you, but in mini. So it's cards, you know, card sized, right? Shrunk down patterns or whatever. And I love it. Super cute. It says 50% with treatments. So it looks like it's mostly foiling treatments. No glitter, which is fine. But it's really cute and really pretty. But full price, it's not worth it because it's $5.99 and you can get the giant paper pad for $6 right now or $4.80 with the coupon. But if you use the 40% off coupon, then, you know, it's not bad. So anyway, that's my haul. I just wanted to come on and share it with you. So if you guys have time to run over to Michael's, you go ahead and you do that so that you could buy these paper pads for the coupon, like $1.50. And all the Hot Buy paper was $6. And with the coupon, it's $4.80. If you are looking for Iris cases and you don't have a Tuesday morning near you, I think Tuesday morning, I saw someone haul them for $3 or $4. If you check and see if yours has them. Mine didn't show up in the computer, but the sign was up. They were $5 a piece, plus coupon made them $4. So that's a pretty good deal too. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy of Creating with the Heart.